Hey, good afternoon, greetings from IGATEX exhibition and from Textalks, who is doing the interview. Thanks so far for us. We are from company WEKO and owning also the Rotor Spray GmbH. And we are focused on very sustainable textile finishing and also the dyeing process for cotton, polyester or cotton blends. And we are very thankful that we are here. What you may see in the front here is one of our, we call so-called rotor carriers, where we spray any type of liquids, so coming from water up to all the finishing liquids which you know, to caustics and acids. And you can spray without contact, so your vase will stay clean while processing your fabric or your yarn. And having a very low pickup, so you can save a lot of water, a lot of chemistry and also a lot of energy. So finally reducing so-called CO2 footprint, which is very needful in these days. Of course, we have biggest reference, of course, is Nishat, who is using the rotor spray unit for the dyeing of cotton fabrics, for reactives and wet dyeing. But also the artistic fabric mills has a system for the dyeing in the slasher line from our side, for the sulfur dye. And we have a lot of installations in sunforizing, where we spray water to make a precise control of the shrink level, also in compacting or any other type of things. Finally, we were developing from the same time on in the same direction. So we finally improve the overall system, because we are mixing the advantages of both systems together starting next year. So this year was first the integrating phase of rotor spray into the WEKO group. And next year we will see the first adjustments and improvements on the line itself. WEKO Neo was developed to be integrated mainly in the slasher lines, so for bottoming, topping, cold sizing with biodegradable binders, as well as some sort of color denim also, to do reactives, sulfurs or wets in color denim. And also to do finishing on center frames for high sophisticated finishings like views, resins, so flat finishes, all these type of things, and single side pigment dyeing as well. Agency is ARE Enterprises sitting in Karachi. So this is Mr. Irfan Hashmi, who is the owner of the company. And for us, it's not only important to do sales service, we also need the after sales service. So, and he is combining both. He has a high technical knowledge, so he can explain very well the processes, what we are doing and how to integrate in customer existing processes. So also process guiding. And also he can do the maintenance, the services, be responsible for the spare parts, which is highly important for customers like Nishat, who are running 24/7, 360 days a year, yes? This year we just delivered a second unit to Nishat, which will be ramped up beginning of next year. We also did another sales to another company here. But of course the demand based on the currency, foreign currency issues is decreasing actually. Although I think Pakistan has a very big potential, because here are very high qualified textile mills with very good educated people. So they really know what they are doing. And based on the lack of China market, exporting to Europe and US in the future, there's a high potential to take some portion of this market as well before other countries are grabbing it.